Assalamualaikum, grade 5. How are you all students? Today is 4th May and Tuesday. Open up your books. Page number 26. On page 26, we have to do multiplication word problems. Let's read the statement. Question number 4. Aruj runs a cloth boutique. She can display 20 dresses on one rack. She has 20 racks. How many dresses she can display in all? So now write the data from the statement. We will write data. Number of racks we are given 20, and number of dresses can be displayed in one rack 20. ठीक है? We are given number of racks and number of dresses can be displayed in one rack. So we have to find total number of dresses that she will display in 20 racks. So the procedure is we have to multiply 20 with the 20. So the answer will be 400. You can multiply it mentally. We have already done in the previous lectures. To multiply 2 with the 2, you will get 4, and then add both the zeros at the right side of the 4. You can multiply mentally, or you can multiply in this way as I have done with the long method. So multiplying 20 with the 20, you will get 400. It means she can display 400 dresses in all. और in 20 cupboards में racks में कितने dresses लगा लेगी? She will put 400 dresses. Why? Because one rack में 20 dresses लगा सकते हैं and she has 20 racks. And total dresses we find out by multiplying 20 with the 20. So this is the question number 4. Now look at the question number 5. How many minutes are there in 36 hours? Question number 5. Solution is if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Grade 5, you know that 1 hour में 60 minutes होते हैं. So then 36 hours equal to, we will multiply 36 with the 60. You will get number of minutes in 36 hours 2160 minutes. ठीक है? 1 hour में 60 minutes होते हैं, तो 36 hours में कितने होंगे? 2160 minutes. By multiplying 36 with the 60, you can find out the number of minutes in 36 hours में. Now 36 hours is equal to, you will write the answer here. Now look at the question number 6. A school has 238 students to go on a field trip. Rupees 100 were collected from each student. What was the total amount collected when 8 students were not given permission to go? So grade 5, look at the procedure. Number of students 238. ठीक है? Each student have to pay 100. Total amount will be collected. कितनी amount collect हो जाएगी 238 students से? Multiply number of student with the 100. You will get the total amount that will be collected from the 238 student. ठीक है? 23,800. Amount of 8 students. 8 students की कितनी amount बनती है? Multiply 8 with the 100. You will get the amount of 8 students. 800 हो जाएगी. Because why? Because one student की amount 100 है. तो 8 students की multiply 8 with the 100. You will get the amount of 8 students. Now if 8 students were not given permission, then क्या करेंगे? 800 जो 8 students जो हैं वो they were not given permission. That's why amount of 800 को total students के amount में से we will subtract it. 23,800 में से you have to subtract 800. So you will find the amount without 8 students कितनी हो जाएगी? Only 23,000. So grade 5, in this way you have to do these sums, practice on registers, and do question number 8 and 9 on your notebooks. Watch the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.